Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday, guys. I hope everyone is just doing things slowly. No trading that much this week. Actually, did not take any trades as the market was just going up and down. And you know what? If you know what you're doing, this time is not actually a good time to trade. Yes, some people that might be trading out there. But it's fine, you know, when you want to when you understand this, is much better just to relax. And after this festive season, then the market will go back to normal. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. The channel is really growing. We left with 150 to reach 2,000 subscribers. Please, guys, let's reach that. I know we can reach that as quick as possible. So now I'm starting with US oil. Guess what? That resistance is really weak. See, at the moment we are on a daily time frame. If you still remember, we had this as a resistance. Do you see that? So that is still there. It seems that the market is still struggling to break that, but it seems like the market tried to push around there. Maybe we will see a breakout on a bit smaller time frame, because we need to go to a bit smaller time frame and see what's really happening. So let's start with a 4-hour time frame and see what we can get from there. So on a 4-hour time frame, as you can see, guys, the market is, yeah, it seems to be a bit of a small of a breakout, but which is not really that clear. So it means we can still check that on a bit smaller time frame. But our resistance can show that, okay, the market has been struggling around this area. So if we go to a bit smaller time frame, maybe we'll find a very nice breakout, because it shows that the market did a break out of that. Maybe now the market is just retesting, then the market is ready to push up. It means the market is no longer ready to do what, to push lower. And what I see is, I see that the market was just creating something like this. So there's possibility that the market can just keep pushing like that. As we see, the market is no longer pushing lower and lower. But the best thing that we can do, let's have a clear breakout. So let's use a bit smaller time frame. Let me just use 1 hour today and see if the breakout is clear. Let's see. Oh, when I do that, it seems like the market, okay, I don't want you to see very small candlesticks, because sometimes it's not really clear when you watch on YouTube. But yeah, I think this is a very straightforward a breakout. The market move out of that. So the best thing that we can do is, let's wait for the market to try to push up slowly. Then we can say, now it's time to buy. I hope you see that. But if maybe the opposite happens, it means we might see the market pushing lower and lower. But at the moment, we are on that breakout. Let me try to draw. I think maybe I can able to draw a small trend line there. Maybe that might work also. Let's see. Let me start it from here. Maybe it might be something, because I see that the market, or let me just but it's fine. You can see that the market is trying. Look at this. If the market is going to respect this area, we can say this is a valid what, a trend line or uptrend, or a support line, even though it's a counter trend line. But yes, that it's a support line, even if it's not that strong, you see. So without wasting your time, let's go straight to gold. So on gold, I hope maybe you saw my analysis yesterday. If not, go back and try to check that. Remember, at this moment, I don't really send signal. Why? I want everyone to be safe out there. So which means it doesn't mean that maybe there is no opportunities, but most opportunities that we see, some of them, once you take them, they are very risky. You can lose. The market actually doesn't respect anything at the moment. You see, people, they are selling their stuff and some they are buying, they are ready to buy around January or the end of December. Then after that is where we're going to see the market pushing up. So what we saw here on gold is, even before yesterday, we saw that the market was on this downtrend. And guess what? We have a breakout, a double retest here. Guess what? The market pushed up, as I said yesterday. So I think this one is quite clear because the market just retested here. Then the market is pushing up from this. So it means if you watched the analysis yesterday and maybe you trade gold, I hope you took that and maybe you made profit, you see. So from this area, you can see that this was like between our resistance area. That's why we see the market pushing up. And this might be another area. Do you see this area? That might be another area where the market might reject and push lower, or maybe the market can keep pushing up. But at the moment, we are on a bullish momentum. Since we are above our resistance, we are no longer under this bearish momentum, which means the market might change the trend and keep pushing up and up for I don't know for how long, but the market might keep pushing up. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. Let's go to US30. I'm not trying to waste your time here. Time is money. Come on, load my network. Oh, before, because this thing is still loading. While this thing is still loading, try your best to smash that subscribe button. Try to be part of the group, guys, part of the channel, because I offer these things like each and every day. Weekly analysis, daily analysis, so many stuff that I share it here. So now we are on this US30. So let's start with 1 day. 1 day, which is a daily time frame. Let's see. From a daily time frame, you can see that, you know what, the market was just pushing up. The market was just pushing up, and we have this level as a support area. You see that. So the thing is, the market was just going down, but the market never reached our support area. Why the market did push from that area, I don't know. Maybe there's some positive news that are happening on the market, but the market was like really aggressive going down. But at the moment, we see that the market is actually trying to push up, and around this area we have that strong resistance where the market did reject. Maybe if the market reached there, we want to see what's going to happen. But the best thing that I can advise you is to just relax in the market. Just relax in the market. Just have some fun for these 2 weeks. Then after, your mind will be fresh again. Then we can just jump on the market. There are so many opportunities in the market. You can't miss these opportunities. You can't say this is the last one. No, there will always be opportunities. This sell-off did not only happen here. Even here, there's so many things. There's also buys in everywhere. So it means you can run out of opportunities. So let's go to a 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, let's try to see what's really happening. So you see, when we say the market is not really creating some nice movies, the market is not respecting any of the things that we do at the moment. The market is just turning anyway. You can see the market just pushed to lower before it can even reach here. Then the market kept pushing up, which is great. But what we were going to do here, I think there's people who are still on those sell positions and now they're getting stuck, you see. So that's why we say try to relax in the market. There's no need to be like to rush to be in the market, because you might see a sell-off from here or whatever, bullish, whatever, because the market is like trying to find its ground at the moment. Then next year is going to be another story. But at the moment, the market is on a bullish momentum. We can see that. So what we see is we also have a resistance around 36,200. So from that area, we want to see if the market is going to respect that or maybe break that. At the moment, we have those two options. If you did not buy around these areas, there's no time for you to buy at the moment. But it's up to you. You can just do whatever that you want. But at the moment, I don't see something like buying at the moment, even though the market is on bullish momentum. Let's see. we have this here, and yeah, we can see that the market is bit closer to our resistance. And where the market turned, it's crazy because you were not going to be aware of that. You were not going to say, oh, this thing's now buying and stuff like that. You were not going to hold that longer because the market is just going up and down, you see. So let's go to the next one, which is Nasdaq 100. So I'm trying to make these things very fast so that we can finish easily and we don't have to complicate things. So on Nasdaq, let's go to a daily time frames to check our trend first. Firstly, you have to identify the trend, guys, before you do anything. Firstly, you can see that, oh, this is the trend. This before you even do anything. Now you see that, oh, the market is pushing up. The market is pushing up. So what do? We go to a bit smaller time frame and see what's really happening around those areas. If maybe the market is we need to buy or we need to sell, whatever. But when it's an uptrend, we only do it, we only buy. So that means our job is quite easy. I am not saying that maybe sometimes we can even lose, even if it's like that, but mostly we win. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame, which is for our time frame, so that we can see that on a closer chart. So we're supposed to see this close. So here we can see that the market was just selling off very quickly, but we can see that this area was respected. You can see this area was respected. Even before that, you can see this area was respected also. This was also a breakout. Yeah, but if we check around this area, you can see that the market was really respecting this area. And the market is heading back there. So it means if we check the trend actually at the moment, we can say the market is ranging or consolidating because there is no clear uptrend or downtrend. The market is just moving sideways. Do you see that? I hope you see that. If you see that, just say something on the comment. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. But this area, we saw something before that, before this one happened, and we just thought that, okay, maybe the market might respect this area, but we were not 100% sure because the support area was very close. We thought maybe the market was going to go very low and reach maybe 15,200, but the market did not reach that, which means now the market is creating something like this. This is a valid support at the moment. Even this one here. Yes, I gave my people a signal here. Even if this time I'm giving them very few signals, it's because I want them to be safe out there. Funds, guys, we don't want to lose the funds, you see. So here we are. So it means we back again at the resistance area. Please don't buy around this area, even if the market reaches this area. So I can advise you to buy when the market is here around this, like 15,600. I hope you see this 15,600, or maybe if the market is moving out of the resistance, if the market is going to break the resistance, it's where maybe you can buy. Wait for that retest, then you can buy. Yes, I know that the market is still going to push higher, but it's going to do that very, very, very slow. So be patient, and the best thing that I can say, stay out of the market for now, not forever, for now, for this few days. Then after, we can just get them fresh mindset, and when we get back, we're going to find things very straightforward and easy. You see, when you refresh, sometimes you see things in a different way. So we're going to buy after this resistance, or if the market is going to sell off, we're going to buy around this area, or we still have another our strongest support area around this area, you see. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.